Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT R19 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all we have to do is to simply open the recents, and we can do it just by swiping our finger up gently and hold it somewhere here. If you've got the navigation you've got the navigation buttons instead of the gestures, then you will have to simply find the button with the square, I believe, or the 3 bars icon. Okay, so let me enter the recent, and as I said, simply swipe your finger up gently. And as you can see here, we've got all previously opened apps, and if you want to, you can close only one of it, so simply find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you'd like to close all of them, then go to the very left until you'll see clear all. After tapping on it, we will get back to the home page, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So actually this is it. This is how to close background apps in your CUBOT R19. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.